Go to the App Store on your device and download the Flic app. Add a Flic to your phone in the bottom right corner, and then press and hold the button until it connects. When your Flic is connected, you can now assign actions to the 3 triggers: click, double click, and hold. Search for Nanoleaf or find it under Connected Lights. Set up your device. Make sure both your phone and the already set up lights are on the same Wi-Fi. Select the Nanoleaf device you want when it appears. Follow the instructions on the screen by holding the Nanoleaf power button for 5 to 7 seconds. All Nanoleaf devices will show up, but you must return and select the light, mode, and color. You can also assign multiple functions to each trigger. For example, starting and stopping the music with the lights or a scene. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact us at flic.io.